Good morning, children. Welcome back to ayaansmath. Today, we are going to see one number theory question now. So, basing on step function. So, here the question is given in the last year. An integer n in such that step n by 9 is 3-digit number with equal digits and n minus 172 by 4 is a 4-digit number with the digits 2, 0, 2, 4 in some order. What is the remainder when n is divided by 100? That is the question given now. So here, first of all, you have to analyze the question. What is the question background now? So he is asking to find the number, 4-digit numbers found by this 2024. Okay, 2024. So here 4-digit number. From this value, you will get 4-digit number. And if you take this n here, the n by 9 is a 3-digit number with equal digits. So first of all, how many numbers you'll get here? So here, 4-digit number means here we are having 4 places. We have to fill 4 places. So here you cannot fill 0 here. You cannot keep 0. So here in this 3 places, so here 2 is repeating 2 times. So total what you'll get is 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So here 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 1 into 2. So total you'll get 12 numbers. So here the numbers starting with 0. The number starting with 0 will be 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So here you'll get 3. Okay, with zeros. Number starting with zeros. So required number, valid 4-digit numbers. Valid 4-digit numbers is equal to 12 minus 3, 9. So the numbers you can write 2024, 2042, 2204, 2240, okay, 2402, 2420, so 4022, 4202 and 4220. So these are the total 9 values of valid 4-digit numbers. So in this you will get any one number satisfying this. So first of all, you have to know the condition here. What is this step x? Okay, this value lies between x less than or equal to step x less than x plus 1. Suppose here if you take 2.5, so this value will be, okay, here the decimal is given out So the step value will be between 2. Okay, the value will lie between n and n plus 1. So 2 and 3, between 2 and 3. So here the value of step of 2.5 is 2. So here I am taking n by 9 now. N by 9. So this n by 9 lies between, let us take k and k plus 1. It lies between k and k plus 1. Okay, now we'll go to the another screen now. So here you'll get 9k less than or equal to n less than k 9k plus 9. So here what is the condition given? All the digits are same. So here you will get 1 1 1, 2 2 2. So up to 9 9 9 will get. So here if you take k value 1 1 1. So here you'll get 999 less than n less than 1008. So it will follow one pattern. Okay, k is equal to 222. So here you'll get 1998 less than or equal to n less than 2007. So if you observe the pattern here, so the first digit and the last digit, the sum is 9. Here also the sum is 9. Like that you will get a. So I take k value 333. So here I can write 2997. So less than or equal to n less than, okay, 3006. So it will follow the pattern. Okay. So here you have to find the value of n now. Okay, first of all, you will check what is the value of n by taking the second condition. So here n minus 172 by 4. Let us take the step of this value will be between m less than or equal to n minus 172 by 4 less than m plus 1. Okay, so this value will be any one of the numbers. 2024 will take the least value what you are having. So n minus 172 is greater than or equal to 4 into 2024. So n minus 172 greater than or equal to, here you'll get 828096, 8096. N is greater than or equal to 8268. So this number will be greater than 8268. But here you are getting 2000. So we'll go on doing K 888. So if you follow the pattern 888, you will get 7992 less than or equal to n less than, here you will get 68001, 8001, but the number is 8268. K, if you take 999, so here 8991 less than or equal to n less than 9000. So the value of K will be 999. Now here we have got one condition. Okay, so from this condition I am writing 4m less than or equal to n minus 172 less than 4m plus 4, 4m plus 172 less than or equal to n less than 4m plus 176. Now if you take m value, I am taking the least value 2024. We will go to the other screen. N value 2024. So 4 into 2024 plus 172 less than or equal to n less than 4 into 2024 plus 176. So here you'll get 8096 plus 172 less than or equal to n less than 8096 plus 176. So here you'll get 8268 less than or equal to n less than or less than 8272. So here if you substitute this value, okay, 8268 8268 by 9. Okay, just checking out. So here you'll get 9 nines are 81. Okay, here 9 ones are 9. We are not getting the same digits. Okay, 9 ones are 9. Here you'll get 78. Okay, 9 eights are 72. Okay, some point you are getting. Okay, so it is not satisfying. So we'll take 4 into 2042 second number plus 172 less than or equal to n less than 4 into 2042 plus 176. So here we are getting by solving 8304 less than n less than 8344. So here also if you check 8304 by 9, it is also you are getting 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9. Okay, here again 1 we are getting. So here also it fails. So this one also fails. Now we are going to the third number. 4 into 2204 plus 172 less than or equal to n less than 4 into 2204 plus 176. So here you'll get 8988 less than or equal to n less than 8992. So if you substitute this value 8988 by 9, so here you are getting 998.666. So you have to get same digits. So 8989 by 9. So here you'll get 998.77. We are getting 8990 by 9. So here you are getting 998.88 you are getting. So here 8991 by 9. So here you are getting exactly 999. So this is the required value of n. N is equal to 8991. If it is divided by 100, so the remainder will be 91. I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching INMO Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INMO Olympiad.